What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today we have the complete garden setup. We have the ultimate garden warrior kit. I want to send a special shout out to Eden, who sent all these sprinklers here so we can put it out there for review. They contacted me because I did a review on one of their Eden products last year. I'll post a link to that. They said they liked the review and they want to send some sample products out so I can show y'all what Eden has for you this summer. So I'm going to review all this stuff one by one. I will not review it as far as demonstrate it, but I will review it to tell you what it does, you know, the coverage and stuff like that. We will do all these one by one on separate videos. I'm first going to review the awesome stuff, and then I'm going to review the awesome stuff, and then we are going to review the awesome stuff. All right, other than that, let's get into the review. Okay, everybody, so let's get into the awesome stuff. Right here we have an irrigation set, and they call it the ARC free rotor sprinkler set. So what you do is you hook these up. So this has a thread on it like this. I reviewed something like this before, and it did pretty good, but Eden has their own. You have your on and then you have your off, so you can turn on and off whatever sprinkler you want to go on or off. So this is pretty cool. If you want to have an extension, you got O-rings on it right there. Twist, another O-ring here, twist that one on, and that's it. That's how you put that. So you can either do it this way or you can have them short. You want them tall, short, it's up to you. All right, and we have next is our Daisy Flex Design Sprinkler Set. And with this, it's the same thing we just reviewed, but guess what? You have daisies. You have purple, red, blue, yellow. This is good if you want to hide your sprinkler set with your flowers. So let's go ahead and get to the next source. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, and right here we have the wand. This is basically, you can flip it on one side in a 180 degrees, and then you can flip it to the other side on your other 180 degrees. Cone, center, flat, jet, shower, mist, soaker, cone, center. So this must be on, plus, back, negative. This bad boy is almost 3 foot in length. Here is the next product, the Eden Micro Drip Irrigation. So basically, something that we just reviewed with the big ones, but this one is a micro. You'll see this, so make sure you subscribe. Don't miss out on this. I want to see how this micro set works. Okay, everyone, okay, here we go. And this one is the oscillating sprinkler. This is probably the most common sprinkler that is used in all lawns. I think everybody that has a house, everybody that loves lawn, everybody that loves garden has this sprinkler right here. Not this one, but this style. But Eden has this one right here, and according to them, see it right there, 4,973 square foot. And right here, this is another important thing, based on 40 psi. And right here we have 20 clog resistant nozzles. So sometimes dirt get in these nozzles right here. Sometimes you may carry your water hose. Your water hose have dirt in it, and it goes through your system, and these clog up, and one will get blocked. So right here it says clog resistance. Don't say clog proof, but it says clog resistance. 6 switches on and off, spray nozzles for each width adjustment. All right, and we are going to definitely get into that once I do the full review. Off to the next one. Okay, you guys, we on to the next one. With this one, I really can't put together right now because it will hit the camera. So I am going to semi put it together, or I just put it together and aim it sideways for y'all. But this is a mini misting tower kit. So from what it's saying, I'm pretty sure it might only do misting, but we are going to check that when we do the final review. This comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 extensions. 6. Okay, so we have the misting tower kit. It says 2 soft spray misting nozzles. So can we turn these? Yep, so we can actually turn these around like that. You could turn this around, or you can go one all the way to the right, one all the way to the left, 180 degrees. You can spin these 360 degrees. Let's get to the next one. Okay, we have another one that I've been looking at for a while. The 4-way adjustable mini oscillator, right? 4,250 square foot. This one here is almost 5,000 square foot, so they both do good amount of coverage. That's a lot of square footage. But right here we have, you can set your nozzles to go over more. That might be its on and off switch by itself. If it is, that's one thing I love about Eden. They have their own on and off switches, and that is pretty cool. That's it with that one. Okay, and up next we have the awesome stuff that I said we are going to review. So if you have clicked off, if they clicked off by now, I feel sorry for you if you clicked off. And if you did click off, I will put this particular ones in a separate review because these are my favorite ones. Of course, you know I am a tech geek. All right, so here we have, this is a 1-zone programmer timer. You cannot function this from your phone. This does take 2 AA batteries, and then you have all your setups right here. So this will be good for you. Like I said, this is 1 zone. I know they have one that does more than 1 zone, but this is what they sent me. And please subscribe to the channel. I will be going over this in very much detail. This one right here, this one will be my favorite one. I know y'all like, but it's nothing here on the screen. How can this be your favorite one? This one here is a Bluetooth moisture sensor feature. And here is dun dun dun. These two are Bluetooth moisture sensor. I almost keep saying motion sensor. This is crazy right now. So this should correlate with this from what I'm seeing right here. This is a 1 zone. Links will be in the description for all this stuff. Look on the back, same situation. Pull it. Oh, and it's locked. Oh, look at all this stuff, you guys. This is all the stuff that I gotta read and go through so I can make sure that I can give you some good information. I am so hyped right now. This is what I need for my backyard right here. I need to know the moisture, and you need to know the moisture. Okay, you guys, so let's get into some more awesome stuff. And right here we have a bunch of quick connects. It's still awesome because the thing with quick connects is, I just grab something real quick. You could connect to your Eden by pulling back, releasing, and then that's it. If you want to connect, pull it in, pull it out. Let me grab another one real quick. All right, so we have our other Eden right here. Put this on like so. Turn it on there. Now let's say you want to go hook up your other sprinkler like so. So what you do is you pull back and then easy connect. So you don't have to keep threading and keep threading. That is the big thing about the quick connects. Another good thing is you have your own shut off, so you can shut it off and on whenever you want. So you can actually leave this on. I know some people leave certain sprinklers outside, so if you want to leave this on, you could just turn it off right there. Well, yeah, you turn it off like that and then you turn it on. Just how regular valves work. I will be reviewing this stuff weekly. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see something reviewed. If you have any questions, please drop it in the description box. Like, comment, and please subscribe.